Good day, everyone. I am Angela P. San Antonio from Bisad 2 Filipino, and I am going to present information regarding copyright and related rights copyright law. But before that, did you know that copyright is one of the branches of intellectual property? What are you waiting for? Come and join me and learn about something. These are the learning objectives for today. First, to define what is copyright. Second, to know the works protected by copyright. And the third, to explain related rights copyright law. Copyright is the concept that original works such as writing, photos, or music belong to the people who create them and that you cannot use, copy, modify, or publish that work without permission. If you violate copyright, it is called copyright infringement and you may face steep consequences such as lawsuits or criminal charges. Copyright infringement is the use of works protected by copyright without permission for a usage where such permission is required. There are 7 category work protected by copyright. First, literary works. Second, musical works and any accompanying works. Third, motion pictures and other audiovisual works. Fourth, sound recordings. Fifth, pictorial, graphic, and sculptural works. Sixth, dramatic works and any accompanying music. And seventh, pantomimes and choreographic works. Under the literary works, it includes novels, poems, short stories, periodicals, essays, dictionaries, manuscripts, and articles. It also includes software such as smartphone apps, video games, and software. Musical works and any accompanying words, it includes musical notes and lyrics in a musical composition. This category of works includes any of the work that consists of musical notes and lyrics in a musical composition. On this category of motion pictures and other audiovisual works, it includes online videos, motion pictures, television shows, video games, and slideshows. On this category sound recordings, it includes music on CDs, podcasts, and recorded speeches. On the category of pictorial, graphic, and sculptural works, it includes 2- and 3-dimensional works of fine, graphic, applied art, photographs, prints, art reproductions, maps, and diagrams. Dramatic works and any accompanying music. It includes plays, opera, and musicals. And on the category of pantomimes and choreographic works, it includes dances. Those are the 7 categories of works protected by copyright, wherein copyright is a form of intellectual property law that protects original works of authorship. But the question is, how long does copyright protection last? As a general rule, for works created after January 1, 1978, copyright protection lasts for the life of the author plus an additional 70 years. Generally, copyright lasts for the lifetime of the creator plus 70 years after the death. However, the duration of copyright can vary due to its publication dated and ever-changing copyright laws. Related rights copyright law. Public domain. It includes every creative work that is no longer protected by a copyright, trademark, or patent which are owned by general public rather than the original creator. When a work has no copyright protection, it enters the public domain. Content in the public domain can be used, modified, and published without permission or restriction. Creators can also place their content if they desire. Although you normally need permission to use copyrighted material in your own work, there is an exception called fair use. Fair use permits limited use of copyrighted material without having to acquire permission from the copyright holder. Fair use allows you to use brief portion of copyrighted works without permission for certain types of use such as criticism, teaching, and news reporting. There is copyright guidelines that allows and limit the use of copyrighted materials for instruction. This is the Copyright Law of the United States, Title 17 of the U.S. Code. Copyright Guidelines. U.S. copyright law grants copyright owners the exclusive rights. First, to reproduce a work. Second, prepare derivative works based on the original. Third, distribute copies to the public. Fourth, perform the work publicly. And fifth, display the work publicly. The following guidelines are provided to ensure that practices and procedures for digitizing copyrighted analog, audiovisual works, DVDs, video home system, for streaming in online distant education courses are in adherence with current federal copyright law. I hope you've learned something. Good day, and thank you for listening.